Hey guys, I'm gonna do a sneeze prank on my on my brother. So how to do the sneeze prank? You need water, make it wet, and then it's ready for the prank. Alright, here's my brother. I know that you can't see me, but achoo! And that's how you do the sneeze prank.